This one is all the same. This one, orange. This is the size. This is 9. This is right. Drill in and the right and lock it. This pin can change. We can change this pin, big or small. Can change this one. First, we grind this point angle. This is the point angle. I'll show you big, small to big. This is the smallest. For this one, we can change it here. That's the angle bigger. Also can one. And here, this is a little bigger. And if this to here. This. And this is the biggest.